Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Getting ready to go into tutorial number 2 of the palette focus of, let me grab the palette. Let me put the card here so I can know the names. Sunlit Seduction by Pat McGrath. So, I already did one tutorial so far. I'm trying to go into this with a really big open mind because I feel like a lot of these looks are going to be very redundant. But then again, I said that about Utopian Dream and I came out with 15 tutorials. So, the first one I used what I think Nude Rose, Extreme Vermilion Dusk, Sienna Mystique? No, Copper Dawn, Skin Tense Radiance, and Astral Gilded Aura are the shades I use, which are basically, what's it? Aura? Yeah. So I think today I kind of want to do something like a little more classic Hollywood. Don't know what I mean by that, but let me go prep my eyes and we'll get into this tutorial. Eyes are prepped and ready with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Today is February 28th, I believe. I really don't know when I'm going to be dropping these videos. If it's July, then it's July. Because I kind of want to drop this around when, if and possibly there will be a Mothership 12. Just so you know, I get up there with the notifications, get seen more. But if it is July, yeah, I think I'll do this in July. And then I'm basically, this is how far in advance I really start these tutorial focuses, because before I always tried to do them like within the week, but then I start to fall behind because of editing, life, drama. And I figured, you know what, it's probably best if I actually take my time rather than try to push it and shove it out and trying to stay relevant. Do what I love to do, take my time, perfect my craft, perfect myself. First and foremost, I think I do want to start with Skin Tense Radiance. And we're gonna go ahead and just do that all over the, oh, this is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Why not? Oh my god. Skin Tense Radiance is a radiance of skin tensity. Just all over the lid. That is gonna be our base. That is definitely, obviously it's gonna be our base because I'm already putting it there. Whatever's left over, just go ahead and do up into the brow bone. Do the phineas. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And like I said, Mothership, I did cave and I got Mothership 10 also. I know. I don't have that many cool tones from the brand, so I was just kind of like, you know what? Might as well. But Subliminal and Midnight Sun are definitely on my radar. Midnight Seduction, I really could care less about that one. No, Bronze Seduction, Midnight Seduction. Bronze Seduction, because I have the, if you go back to the videos, ooh, hey, I came back from the gym, so I feel a little pumped. I have a dupe of Subliminal, Subversive, Sublime, and Bronze Seduction from Bad Habit. I think it was Bad Habit who was doing that phase of duping palettes, which they came very close, to be quite honest. Bronze Seduction, I'm not gonna buy. Maybe, I don't know, because it's just why? Now next, let us go into Nude Rose, and I'm actually going to Nude Rose or Sienna Mystique. Let's do Sienna Mystique. We're gonna go with the blush brush. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. And just whisper it on. Ooh, that's pretty. That's gorgeous, actually. She's so mystique. And just kind of focus it more on the outskirts of the eye. Ooh. Oh, Sienna Mystique. Just like that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's happening. It's happening. And I'm actually going to go in more with this brush back into Sienna Mystique. And just... there we go. Kind of bounce it on just to get a whisper of color there. There we go, jeez. Oh my god, jeez. There we go. Sienna Mystique. Sienna Mystique? Sienna Mystique. I'm getting Midas Mystique confused with this one also. The Midas Touch. Now, from there, I actually want to go into Astral Amethyst Allure. Was it this one? Because I know this is like more pigmented. Forget it. And we'll just go and put it over all of this. Let's go. I swear, camera does not do it justice. This is, that's the thing about Pat McGrath. A lot of her palettes, you just really got to experience in person. It's the name of the game. I kind of wish this was more like the actual baked astral shades from the other motherships, because that would look gorgeous if it just had hints of that speckle of the amethyst, kind of like Utopian Dream with the like purple neon one. God, I should know it by now. I did so many looks with that one. It's my favorite. There we go. It's cute. So cute. Now next, I am actually going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to dip into Extreme Vermilion Dusk again. Do I want to do this one? Yeah, let's go and do this. Since that is the darkest shade. Like, I feel like a deep brown will look so good with this palette. Like an extreme oak, maybe. Not asking for much, but you know, I'm just using it literally right in the corner. Just the corner. And I like this because it really blows everything out, which is obviously the effect I'm going for. But this actually really adds some intensity. It's like a warm wood type of a color, which is gorgeous. And then we're gonna go in with the liner brush, Extreme Dusk, Extreme Vermilion Dusk, and just begin to do more of that liner type of thing. Liner type of thing. Perfect. Let me go and do this and we will see where we are at. So this is where we are at. Actually, natural lighting. Well, I think that's the natural lighting filter. Warm. This is just purely natural lighting. So this is only just with, what is it, Skin Tense Radiance, new Sienna Mystique, Astral Amethyst Allure, and Extreme Vermilion Dusk. I actually do love that hint of purple, or that hint of amethyst. It's like just such the right amount of whisper of it, which I completely adore. I actually do like how this is probably, I could see being a really big complementary to Bronze Seduction, possibly, in all honesty. Because I feel like the Amethyst Allure would go really well with the Extreme Aubergine from Bronze Seduction. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? But let me go ahead and do the rest of my face and we will see the final look. Granted, this is only tutorial number 2. I'm actually really digging this palette. It's growing on me. And it really is a new generation of formulation for the new, I guess, up-and-comers. Granted, nothing will ever defeat Mothership 1, 2, and 3 in Pat McGrath, because those truly are the OGs. In a true color, artistry, palettes to the mind and the world of Pat McGrath, in my personal opinion. I have subliminal and I have subversive. I just need to get sublime. I need that holy trinity, as Alicia Archer says. I think the first three are definitely a true portfolio of Pat McGrath. It truly is the Trinity, the Holy Trinity. 10 was definitely a new introduction to different formulation for the astral shades. Granted, 1 through 9 has given us, minus Mothership 4, have really given us many different types of astral shades to play around with, most definitely. But I just fear and I hope that they don't take those away. Like everything becomes limited edition, or they're just solely starting from Divine Rose 2, Utopian Dream. Because it kind of seems like that's all you can really get now are these warm palettes, besides Mothership 10. I will definitely start doing tutorials, recording tutorials for Mothership 10 here pretty soon as well, because I am very curious to play around with that color story. So far, this color story, I actually really am enjoying. I know a lot of people are over the pinks and stuff, but I feel like this is a different version of the pinks. This is more of those warm rose. Then we have the muted rose from Divine Rose 1. Then we have the fuchsia pink from Divine Rose 2. Excuse me. And Utopian Dream, we definitely got some pink inspired hues. Yes. But I do think this is new uncharted territory for the new whoever took over Pat McGrath. But without further ado, let me go and do the rest of my face, because I also got to get ready for work. And I need to do some studying for my Dutch. So without further ado, and this is the light medium, by the way, from Pat McGrath. Still have a lot. Still have a freaking a lot. See you guys in a moment. So here is the final look. I am really digging this palette. More and more, that's for sure. So, gosh, let me grab this. I forgot what shades I used already. So I went ahead and in Skin Intense Radiance, Sienna Mystique, Extreme Vermilion Dusk, and Astral Amethyst Allure. I really do love it. This is very, Valentine's Day for sure. Foundation is still Christian Dior's Skin Forever, the matte one, the demi matte. Bronzer, I actually dipped into this one, which is going to be Bronze Nirvana, and blush is Sunset Bloom, which is actually going to be this one. I contoured a little bit with the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks Matte Skin Sticks and Espresso, which I am really starting to really love that a lot. And Divine Rose Highlighter for highlighter. And I feel like this blush is definitely going to be the it for this summer, or it should be. Because last year they brought out Divine Rose 3 with the bronzers release. Why was that so hard to? Yeah, I think that's what happened last year. Like I said, I'm really confused because it's February right now and I'm trying to think about last year and if this is in January, so yeah. But I am very curious. Well, I'm pretty sure by the time this comes out, all the spring and summer, as of right now doing this video, I am curious as to what they will be bringing out for spring and summer this year. Oh, she's saucy. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Brows, actually, Brow Styler from Benefit, which basically has the pencil crown and powder on bottom. But I went ahead and used number 6 very, very lightly and blended that out. I also have on the light medium for setting powder and the areas I want to set. And I'm finally getting like, that's how low I'm getting on this one, which I am also really loving, because this actually really helps lighten up the under eye just a little bit. It's the smidger. So that is it. Lips is Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury with Opulous lip gloss on top. But yeah, I'm actually really digging this look. Like, I'm loving this a lot. Wishy. But I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures, and if you guys want to see the final edits of these look, go to my Instagram page. I got that TikTok talk ticking. Is that really my color? Jeez. And that's a neutral. That's a hella yellow. Looks good for the camera though. But also, I do want to find a lip liner, lipstick, and a lip gloss. Maybe a very everyday, natural, nude type of thing, because I really want to have a signature lip. So I will be on the lookout for that as well, which obviously I'm pretty sure it will come in the following tutorials. I will see you guys next video. Continue to be amazing. Continue to be boss. Oh, who is she? See you guys next video.